Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. Today I thought I would do kind of a throwback video. If you've been on YouTube for a while, you probably remember all of the what's in my purse videos. I used to be so obsessed with watching them. I thought maybe someone out there would also feel the nostalgia and be interested in what is in my purse. So I'm not really like a purse or shoe kind of girl, as in like designer brands don't really excite me. Don't know why, I've just always been that way. I don't really care too much about shoes. I don't really care too much about purses. It's like literally just like a thing you put all your crap in. I don't really get it. However, I loved that the mini backpack trend came back. And this is like my favorite purse I've had in a long time. It's a little baby backpack if you couldn't tell. I got it at Forever 21. I think it was like $25 or something. It was like expensive for Forever 21. And honestly, when I first got it, it felt like crap. It was really stiff and it was hard to like maneuver and stuff, but now that I've had it for a little while, it's broken in and it's a lot nicer now. I love this purse. I obviously have my car keys attached to my purse because it's like what you do, car keys. My purse is honestly a little full right now, so I have too much crap in here, so it's time to clean it out, so I thought this was a perfect time. First thing is my favorite hand lotion ever in the world. This is Hand Relief from Aveda. It is amazing. This thing works wonders. My hands are like perpetually dry, so I really love this product. I have random money floating around. Ooh, this is exciting. I have a love letter that one of my coworkers wrote me because she loves me just so much. I have a eBay gift card. Super random, don't know why. Why is that not in my wallet? 3 random paycheck stubs. I mean, just why not? This is my wallet. It is like a tiny little child baby wallet. That was the only thing about this little baby backpack situation was my normal wallet did not fit into my backpack, so I had to downgrade to this little baby wallet. But it still totally holds everything I need, so not really too mad at it. I have a beanie because why not? Because it snowed here once and now I need to keep a beanie with me at all times. That's why. I have a couple of sheet masks. These are actually going to one of my coworkers. That's why they're in my purse, is because I need to get rid of them and give them to her. I have a room card from a hotel that I was at recently called The Saint. If you're ever in New Orleans, totally not sponsored, wish it was, but if you're ever in New Orleans, the Saint Hotel, I would highly recommend it. That hotel was super cool. I have my Taylor Swift sunglass case. The sunglasses that originally came in this case broke, but I have been using the case ever since for my favorite sunglasses in the whole world, which are these. I know my ring light is super annoying right now, but I love these sunglasses so very much. I have repurchased them 3 different times now. This is my 3rd pair. I will link them down below. They're inexpensive, they're polarized. I really appreciate them a lot, especially that they're polarized. If you've never worn polarized sunglasses, once you wear them, I feel like there's such a big noticeable difference that you don't want to go back to non-polarized sunglasses. So I really like these. I have the CoverGirl Peacock Flare Mascara. If you did not see my review on this mascara, I hated it. It is in here because I need to return it. I have a little hand sanitizer. This is from Bath & Body Works before they changed the packaging on these. Unlike most people, I kept all of the ones that I bought throughout the years and kind of like hoarded them, so I still have quite a few left. So I'm trying to go through those before I buy the new one. I know it's been out for a while now, but I'm still on the old packaging, so I'm using up some winter cranberry right now, very appropriate. I have 3 granola bars in my backpack. I eat granola bars like all the time. I usually always have a Kind bar on me. It's ironic that I don't right now. I love these little chia bars, any kind of little snacky bars. I like live off of these things. It's usually what I eat for breakfast every morning is a Kind bar. But I also like to keep extras in my purse because every now and then there'll be a homeless person and I like to be able to give them something to eat. I haven't really talked about this a lot, I guess, but like, I don't know. I feel more comfortable giving strangers goods and products as opposed to money. I really like to have extra breakfast bars on me, so when I see someone in need, I can just give them food. Ooh, this is like my favorite pen in the whole world. The Pilot G2 pens. I love these. I always have one of these on me because I love them. They glide so smoothly. They're nice. I really like these pens. I know that's random, but I do. This is very important to have. A bottle of ibuprofen. Never know when you're gonna get a headache or have bad back pain or whatever you deal with in your life. Once again, not an advertisement, but I love ibuprofen. Is that a weird statement to make? I get headaches a lot, okay? Also, another thing that is pretty important to keep in your purse is Gas X. No, I'm totally not joking. I'm so serious. Sometimes I don't eat very well and it really upsets my tummy when I do that to myself. I carry around Gas X with me because gas pain can be awful. It's not fun. So yeah, this is a lifesaver. I have little blotting powders from e.l.f. Powders. Blotting sheets, there we go, that's English. It is a little nice compact like this. It comes with this little applicator. It sticks to the paper. It's perfect. I think this is like $3. It's totally worth it. I love it. It even has a mirror on the inside. Like, what more could you ask for? I really like this product a lot. It's wonderful. Yep, there we go. Here's another bar. This is an RX bar in the flavor chocolate. I have a lip color. This is Lime Crime Velveteens in the shade Cashmere. This is probably like one of my most favorite colors of all time. I did not buy it through Lime Crime. I bought it through Ipsy. They were doing this like big bundle of stuff for a set price and this was one of the items and I jumped on it because I've wanted this for so long, but I don't want to give Lime Crime, the website, my information. So I was very excited to finally get this. It's beautiful. I love it. It's wonderful. The formula is really nice on that one as well. It's very lightweight and it feels very thin on the mouth. I have a broken pen from the Saint Hotel that I'm trying to reassemble. Guess I can get rid of that now. I have some of my favorite tea. For those of y'all who don't know, I love drinking tea and this is in the flavor apple cranberry. It's amazing. More stuff that I stole from the Saint Hotel. Obviously, I really enjoyed my stay there and I wanted all of the memorabilia I could get my hands on. Except for the robe. They would charge you like, I think it was $250 for the robe or something crazy like that. Got a couple of these Travel Light little mouth scrubbers. Basically, this is like the Rip Slip Brush. Anyone remember that commercial? That's what this is. It's just like if you feel gross throughout the day or your mouth feels just like not super fresh, this is a good way to just like refresh your mouth. So those are nice to have on hand. I have a handful of cough drops at the bottom of my purse because I was recently pretty sick for kind of a while, so I went through a lot of cough drops. That is everything that's in like the big portion of my purse. Now I'm getting into this little zipper pocket. Ooh, exciting. 2 more bags of my favorite apple cranberry tea. Ooh, we have 2 different lip colors. We have the ColourPop Ultra Satin Lip in Aquarius. I love this shade. It's like the perfect nude. And then we have Jeffree Star's liquid lipstick in the shade Hunty. This is like the perfect warm nude. These are both favorites of mine. We have more of the little teeth brusher things. Oh, and then finally, the last things in my purse are a spin pin to put your hair up. This opal ring that my mom bought me at a place called the Turquoise Door in Austin, Texas. 35 cents. And a penny that we made at the aquarium in New Orleans. My husband and mother-in-law went to the aquarium in New Orleans earlier this year and this was our little memorabilia from that. So there you go. Awesome. So that was everything that was in my purse. I definitely need to clean it out. Obviously, this was kind of therapeutic. If you enjoyed this video or like what's in my purse videos, give this video a thumbs up. If you want to subscribe to my channel, I put out new videos every single Wednesday and I would love to have you there. Thank you all so much for watching. I hope you're having a great week and a good new year, I guess, right? I love you all. Thank you for being here. Have a good week. I will see you next time. Bye, guys.